how to replace the faulty loudspeaker on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. Okay, first you want to heat up the back of your phone with a heating pad, or you can use the hair dryer to blow the hot heat at the back of the phone. This will help us to remove the back glass. So here I'm using my CPB heating device to heat the back of the phone. Now we will use a suction cup to help us pull out the back glass. Now this process can be tricky as Samsung use a very sticky adhesive, very strong adhesive, making it very difficult to remove the glass. Now I would suggest we start from the middle of the phone as it will be easier. So simply try to heat up the phone and then pull out using the suction cup. Now using the opening pick, we will try to remove the back glass. Now if you are not careful, the glass can easily break. Now as you can see in this video, the back glass has broken. You can easily replace the back glass if you accidentally break it. To avoid accidental breakage, I would suggest you start from the middle of the phone and work your way down to the bottom. Once you have an opening, we can use a spatula to pry off the back glass. Now go around the edge of the phone and pry off the back glass. Just do it gentle and carefully so that you don't break the back of the glass like this one. And then open it up. You can completely separate the back glass from the phone. And remove these 7 screws. Here I'm removing the screws now. This is the replacement part I'm going to use. And then lift up the speakers and slowly remove the tape. So these are just the tape that tape down the loudspeakers. Here I have the original loudspeaker versus the replacement one. Now insert the new speaker into the phone and then put the tape back onto the speaker. Now push it down. Now we check and make sure the microphone sits nice and flat within the frame. Now put the 7 screws back. Before putting the back glass on, make sure you check the loudspeaker.